Hello, good afternoon, I think, and welcome to another video about App Inventor. Today we are going to talk about conversions. So, first of all, you have to have your Android device and connect it. So, first of all, it has to show us an cover screen, and it has to show us this lateral menu. So when we click, for example, distance, it has to show us this screen. So for example, if we have to convert inches to meters, we have to put the measure and convert it. This is this one. 25 inches to it's 63.5 meters. So for example, if we have to change meters to centimeters, we put the measure and it has to work something like this. First of all, we have to initialize a global variable. I name it entrada, and another one is the name is variable salida. And when spinner one after selecting the set global state 1, that is meters, and state 2 so is these are the blocks. And when we put the global state variable state 1, that is equals to inches, and we have to convert to centimeters. The function is this: global b multiply by 2.54. It's the result. So we change inches to centimeters, inches to meters, inches to inches, centimeters to meters, meters to inches, centimeters to inches, meters to centimeters, meters to meters, and centimeters to centimeters. So if we want to convert meters to centimeters, we have to multiply by 100. If we need, or if we want to convert inches to meters, it has to multiply the variable entrada to multiply by 0.0254, and it's something like that. All these numbers, it has to put it in text box 1. So we put the number that we want to change in the text 1, and in the text box 2 it has to bring us the result. And if we want to convert temperature, for example, if we want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we put the the temperature and click in convert, and if we want to put Fahrenheit to Celsius, we put the temperature and we put in convert, and this is to the these are the blocks. It's something like distance. So in the spinner one we have to put the global variable state 1, so on the spinner 2 the same, but state 2 we have to initialize a global B entrada, global B salida, and global B state 1 and global B state 2, that is Celsius and Fahrenheit. These blocks are for the cover screen. So in the text box 1 it has to show us the result. So when we put the temperature, for example Celsius, we have to multiply B entrada by 1.8 and plus 32. So if we want to change Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have to multiply by the B entrada, restarle 32 and divide by 1.8. So we go to the principal screen, and if we want to change currency, for example if we want to change to euro to peso, we have to put the currency, for example this, and this 24 euro it's 522 pesos. So if we want to change dollar to peso, we put the currency and convert, and $10 is 195.4 pesos. So if we want to change peso to euro, we put the currency and convert, and this is the result. It's something like that. If we want to change euro to dollar, we put the currency, we put the currency, for example 12, convert, and is this the result of the blocks. These are the blocks. It's something like temperature and distance. So these first blocks are for the screen, for the cover screen. Sorry, when we have to initialize again B entrada and B salida, and state 1 and state 2. State 1 is dollar and state 2 is peso, and we have to put a third label in and add to the block spinner 1 and spinner 2. So if we want to change dollar to peso, we have to multiply by 19.54. So these are the function of the blocks. The blue block, it's in the math section, so everything has to be multiplied by the quantity, and in terms more, en términos más cerrados, pues. So I think that it's all, and thank you.